Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Thank you for the opportunity to gather here on this occasion. I will discuss the research the title Development of Canva-based learning media to improve results culinary management study in Indonesian cake and drink course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nadila Nindarini. I'm from class B. My study number 024. Next. Okay, I will start to explain my material now. Here there is outline which consists of four types. Number one, introduction. Number two, research methodology. Number three, findings and discussion. Number four, conclusion and recommendation. Introduction. This research aims to determine the efficiency of learning using media-based learning Canva on student learning outcomes in Indonesian cake and drink course 2022 and 2023 academic year at the Medan State University Culinary Study Program. This research also using the quasi-experimental design method with a focus on the design research design control. In other words, there is a positive influence that using Canva has on student learning outcome in Indonesian cake and drink course in the culinary at study program Medan State University. This show that learning outcomes use Canva media is higher than without using Canva. Next, previous studies. Education is able to profit thanks in knowledge because people who have knowledge and those who don't will be different, especially in living life. Probably nowadays the focus of the work of education is to provide work skill for the younger generation. Next. Next, the original framework methodology. Method one. This research is classified as quantitative research, which aims to knowing the influence between variables. Method two. The sample determination in this research was carried out with a random sample touch screen where each class has the same opportunity to be classed as a sample. Method 3, normality, the test for student learning outcome in the Indonesian cakes and drink course with using the classification techniques Kolmogorov, Shumrit, Des, and Spirowick. Method 4, the research approach used is the post-only control design method which consists of two groups selected randomly. Data analysis result of research on the development of Canva media and student learning outcome Indonesian cake and drink course will be explained in this section. Result data research impression in the form of number one, student learning result, number two, assumption stage, and number three, hypothesis stage. Next. Findings with table number one, the class that will be given treatment is the experimental class that uses Canva media, whereas the class that is not given treatment called the control class is not given Canva media. The following is an overview of the design of the experimental class on control class and in the table one below. Findings number two, the following is the post-test effort scores, highness scores, lowest scores, and standard definition in the table to below. This is the picture. Next. Discussion. In the teaching and learning process of Indonesian cake and drinks, researchers have the opportunity to become on one of the research person to create a creative learning environment for students. In the teaching and learning process so that the learning system in the classroom and achieve the design goals, a good lecture and a method that are appropriate to the subject being taught. Each teaching method has its own method. Whatever teaching method is used, it must be done first. Determine the required purpose in open materials and their types. Student learning activities are required. Questions and suggestion. The results show that the significant value then means you can it is indicated that how zero is received and how one is accepted. In other words, there is a positive influence the as of Canva student learning outcome in cake and course Indonesian drink at the Medan State University Culinary Study Program. Next, for the desk learning results obtained with the con 4,530 and the table 1,231, which show that taken from the table, they show that learning outcome using Canva Media are higher than without using Canva. Next, Bibliografi, I'm from Dalimudet. Thank you. That's the presentation I can deliver it. Thank you for your attention and the time. If you have question or things you want to discuss further, I will be happy to answer them. Are there any question? Any question, guys? Yes. Ayu Natasha.
Okay, thank you. Explain how to play a role lecturer studying Indonesian cakes and drinks at Medan State University.
Okay, thank you. Next, there is again. If nothing, I want the answer question from Ayu Natasha. In the teaching and learning process of the Indonesian cake and drink course, the lecturer is one of the course responsible for preparing the learning environment ready for students in the teaching and learning process so that the learning system is in place in class. To achieve the duration goals, it is good for a lecturer to be able to apply methods that are appropriate to the subject being taught. Every method teaching has advantages and disadvantages, but the most important thing is as lecturer is that whatever teaching method will be used in math first will be clear about this objective. The material to be taught will be active as well as the types of student learning active desire. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.